guys, why am I
What's
moving
up,
so?
guys? Today I'm with my friend Juicy again.
Wait a minute. I'm not done. I'm
I
not
don't
done.
care.
Wait a minute. Let us both record.
What's up, Juicy?
What's up, guys? This is basically my first video with this guy. We're doing a collab.
We've been in a video before.
Yeah, but I definitely recorded it.
Oh,
Definitely. I definitely did.
I see a red dot. Wow.
That means
I
you're
know.
recording.
I'm just.
And anyways, let's go mining.
All right, let me just get a pickaxe.
Didn't I already throw you one? Yeah, look, it's by the stash. It's in the stash. Sorry guys, this is gonna take a moment.
Actually, there's no moment needed. I'm already done.
Okay, and this thing, you sure you need a backpack?
It's stuck. Oh, now it was stuck in the stash.
Anyways, let's go stash it. I'm into mining.
Let me just fix it because I like it in my right hand.
What do I? Supposed to have a light. Yes. First one. Got a gem. I'm the first one.
I got coins.
No gems on. He's falling up. And this one's mine. That's still up. Oh, no gems. Should we go there? Oh no, never. Should we? Got a gem. Tim, come on, break it. Break it. There's one right over here. Get it. Did you get it yet?
Let me just get these bolts.
Don't break the green boxes.
I know, I've played this game before.
I said I played this game before. Was that cool?
I forgot where was the...
Planetarium? Yeah, I know.
Because it always updates and they change it.
And interesting, just to follow me. I'm on my way. Wait a minute. Sorry.
No.
Let me get it. I got 2 gems. I got 4 gems. I got 4 gems.
Some of them are really hard to break.
And this thing, come on. Let's go.
Get me!
There's some more.
Get me!
What the guess? And there's a bomb. There's a goddamn bomb.
How do you know? I don't know where you go or went.
You see me, I have a flashlight. A hook shot. And this team, I saved one for it.
Just take it. I'm already going.
Yes! Ow! I think I'm the best!
Where are you about to die? Oh. Oh my god, I got 0 gems.
I'm satisfied now.
How much did you get? How much research points did you get? I finally got one.
Tim, look up. Who marked it?
You sound weird. I keep flying everywhere. Okay, back, you big back with the big back. Got a Big Mac with the Shake Shack. I still hear you. I still hear you from here. Goodbye, everybody. I got to go. No, I'm joking. It's not. It's not the end of the video. We just started the video. It's been like 5 minutes. Let me just take back my pickaxe. Backs. So I need 2 broccolis. And I need to go back to this planet, but I'm being sucked away. Why can't I go to the Earth? It's so hard. I'm going out of the map. And I'm gonna get reported by the game. Ugh.
What the hell did you just say? Woo! The
Monkey damn. I'm tiny. I only have tiny mushrooms in my backpack. Well,
Wait a minute.
I'm gonna turn tiny. Do not steal my mushrooms.
Well, Tame, I'm pretty sure they're broccolis. Anyways, Tame, I got mega broccolis. Since I could just buy them from the shop.
Oh wait, I only have 1 mega broccoli.
I have billions of them.
So eat this one. I'm giving you a free one. Take this.
I can barely even eat one. Thank you. Thank you for this generous gift.
Oh my god,
Oh my
whenever
God.
you turn tinier, everything turns brighter.
So Tame, I'm trying to become a banana.
Can you give me this mushroom on top of me? I'm too small.
Banana, I'm just trying to be a banana.
Please help me. Give me this
Thank you.
mushroom.
Take you, tiny. I can't even see you. What's your tiny dog?
Give me more. I want food. Do you even see me?
I'm tiny again. Wait a minute. You're stuck! Are you stuck to the ground or what?
I can't move. I'm too tiny.
Well then, eat this. It'll make you feel much better.
No, it's flying.
Dave, you can barely move.
I can't hold it. I can't hold it.
I still can't see you. Do you want some? Do you want some more? Do you want some more?
Yeah.
Well then, take it. You're too. I saw you. I saw your arm. You're inside the backpack. Just wait until I post the video, and like you can just see how tiny you are. We actually, team, eat this. What to do? Eat this. It'll make you banana. I'll make you a banana. You're a big banana.
I move even faster when I turned into a banana. I want more big fruits.
Big bad. Actually, bro, stay healthy. Stay healthy and just eat this.
No.
Stay healthy. You're a banana.
Give me the broccoli. I need to stay healthy.
Well, come on, stay healthy then. Big back. Tame. We're brothers. Brother! My brother! We side the world! And make a what?
Banana chips. How much are banana chips?
$1.
So broccolis or...
5.
Wait, what is this other mega broccoli? It like has this weird mechanic on it.
Bomb. It's basically right on.
Yeah, I unlocked the banana chips.
You're already a banana though.
I want some beans.
Time. I'm your brother. I'm your big, bro. I am your big brother. Can I even get in here? I'm trying to. I can't fit. I'm too fat.
I'm farting.
But I can't see you. Oh, is this you? You tiny banana! You tiny banana!
You're tiny. Why am I tiny banana? No. I'm tiny banana.
I need to become.
I'm inside of a beehive. I went inside of a beehive.
Yeah, I know. What is this inside there? And this way, I'm coming.
There's nothing inside there, totally.
Uh-huh. What do you mean by totally? Is there something?
No.
There isn't. You made me there. You made me going there.
It's totally.
Oh, I really just put these
Ish?
hot
Look.
sauce.
It's the name.
This is a very good.
You're a tiny banana. I'm a tiny banana. No. This cannot be. I can get a katana. I can get the katana. Sticky dynamite. Cluster grenade.